Derek with Eliminex. I'm here in East Brunswick, New Jersey. There's the raccoons. There's raccoons all over. They're sleeping there in the day, so thank goodness. There's a lot of activity there going. There's footprints everywhere. Footprints all over the ductwork. And I finally went to this side. It was real precarious. See all these gas lines and service lines and the rafters. It's like a house built on top of another house. So this raccoons got in through the siding here. You can't see it from the ground because there's a tree in the way. And this is up on the roof. And this doesn't even have wood. It's foam. The siding is foam with the siding on top of it. It's not even plywood. So the animal just pushed in. That's their entry point here. So they're getting in and out like it's nothing. It's crazy. And then it goes in throughout the rest of the house. See all the fecal matter here? I just saw that. See all the crap? That's disgusting. So, what a disaster. Yes, we could trap them all. We don't know how many. There could be 8. Because the other part is pretty seriously infested too. I thought it was going to be squirrels and raccoons. It's all raccoons. They're getting into the ductwork. You can see footprints here. Footprints in the ducts.